Welcome to the best course series on how to make money from Android apps. This is the best course for those who think to invest in Android apps. In this course, I started with a $0 per month earning and my target is to reach it to $1,000 per month earning. I am very close to the target and I will soon reach to $1,000 per month earning. I have taught everything in this course which are required for launching an app on Play Store. If you have a little money, it does not matter. You can start with this course. It is a one-time investment and you will get earning every month. I have launched many apps on Play Store during this course and my target is to launch 10 to 20 apps during this series. I have shown my AdMob earning from time to time during this course so that it could motivate you to launch your apps on Play Store. I have explained two earning methods in this course series. One is AdMob earning and another is earning from in-app purchases. Through AdMob earning, Google will show ads on your app and in this way you will make money. With in-app purchases, people buy premium features inside your app. I will now answer few of your questions. What if I lose my money? If you follow me, you will never lose your money and you will surely earn money from apps that you launch. I don't know Android app development. It does not matter. This course is for everyone. You will learn how to set up your app and how to launch it on Play Store. What if I need help? You can contact me anytime through my mentioned email or through Udemy. Thank you so much and see you soon in my course.